guys, and welcome back. And we're off to another one. But today is going to be a relaxing day because I'm actually kind of tired, so I'm going to take it slow. But we're actually locked and loaded, ready to go. We're just going to do a little barbecue on the sandbar or the island, I don't know, whatever comes to mind. But it's going to be a slow, relaxing day because let's go. Really ready to go. Let's go, yo.
I need to get a splendor for my car.
Are you ready to go? I guess she's not. She's allergic to the boat. She's sneezing. Come on, Yuli. Up. Go. Up. Come on. Up. Come on, you can do it. Up. Come on, Yuli. Up. Come on. Come on, Yuli. Come on, Yuli. Come on, Yuli.
Go.
Come on, little mama. Why are you dressing like you're going to a party? Where are your shoes? Okay. And like usual, only me and the dog are ready. Right, Yuli? Me and the dog are ready. Everybody else still playing around inside the house. There's always a mission trying to get everybody ready.
But the candies that we want to buy are $2 each, so it'll be $8. So can I get $10 please?
And like you notice, it's a beautiful, clear day to be out on the water. Sometimes when we're at the boat ramp leaving or docking, people come up to us that watch the channel and they tell us how much they like the videos and glad they got to meet us in person. But it's great to meet you guys and thank you for the support. And now let's keep watching and having fun. Okay, sometimes anchoring at the sandbar could be pretty tricky because when there's a change of tide, it's pretty strong. So right now the tide is going out, so it's going to make it a little difficult for me to anchor up. But luckily, the guy next to me that actually watches the channel too, he kind of helped me out. So thank you to him. What we have?
Stop it, put it in the water.
Churrasco.
No, wait, let me.
No, I got the,
No, you
the
can't.
blood, the blood. For the fish to come.
Yeah, you can throw the blood, but not the thing. All right, so we have a skirt steak, churrasco.
Check it on my nose.
What you got? Oh, you helping we got a new chef today. What is your chef? What is your name? Chef Gabby. Chef Gabby B. Yes, Chef Gabby G. Oh, we got a helper too. Ale. Well, like you noticed, everybody here is having a great time today. And actually, summer is officially over. But people here act like summer never ends. And to be honest, this is like having paradise in your backyard. Well, not in your backyard. It actually takes me 45 minutes to get to the boat ramp. But I don't mind because I love coming here. Well, the good thing here, you can have all types of fun. You can have friend fun, crazy fun, normal fun, meet new people fun, and unforgettable fun, and the best of all, family fun. And like you noticed, today the water was great. Couldn't ask for a perfect day to come here.